Hello, and welcome to The One Currency, the definitive resource for achieving financial independence online. We go into a variety of topics on this channel, including e commerce, AI, social media, cryptocurrencies, and many other online opportunities. As we all know, the internet has changed the way we live our lives. It's opened endless opportunities for people to earn passive income online, while also allowing them to pursue their passion. Whether you're looking to quit your 9 to 5 job, or just to make some extra cash on the side, the internet offers an abundance of opportunities to achieve financial freedom. In this channel, we want to show you how to take advantage of this powerful resource, also giving you access to its full potential. The digital landscape is very overwhelming at times, and with the abundance of information, I should say, it's a lot hard to start off with. And I'm like you, I'm starting from scratch, so we'll be learning together and growing things as it comes. Now, I'm going to try to provide you with valuable insights, expert knowledge, and also practical tips that's going to help us, both you and I, navigate this digital world and try to maximize our earning potential. We're going to dive into the latest trends, updates, from marketing strategies to analyzing consumer behavior, anything that could help us get a little edge. E-commerce will be a big pillar of this, and it's the big thing happening right now. And we believe everyone can benefit from it. So, showing you the best way to set up your online store, reaching a target audience, which products to sell, have an idea. Also, artificial intelligence has been, the craze since 2023. And we're going to see how AI, we can apply it and try to see if it increases our income and also leverage it to the best of our capabilities. We'll try to build also a personal brand using social media, sharing our knowledge, and try to convene all these things at the same time. And the elephant in the room, as you all know, is cryptocurrencies. It's a pretty hot topic, whether in a negative or a positive limelight. We're going to try to take a deep dive into it, try to understand it, see it from the other perspective, and try to understand why is it that cryptocurrency is what it is. And who knows, we're probably going to learn a thing or two. Now, the goal is to achieve financial freedom. And if my journey can help you get there, then why not? And it's going to be a pleasure. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel and let both of our journey to financial freedom begin. But just a little side note, none of this is financial advice. And I'm just trying to help myself, and I'm also giving tips and tricks. Now, whether you apply it or not, it comes up to you, and everything will demand hard work. Nothing comes easy, and this is not a cash grab, easy scheme money. So, good to see you. Thank you, and have a good day.